क्या आज के दिन में भी 2025 में भी क्या अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस हो रहे हैं?
देखिए, अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस तो अभी भी हो रहे हैं बहुत सारे जगह में. पहले इट वाज मोर रैम्पेंट until and unless it was this organ transplant was not rolled out quite strictly. So now it is quite difficult to do that. Like if anybody finds out that this sort of things has happened, then the doctor who is doing it, this license will be revoked, the hospital will be blacklisted, and the person who is involved in this entire thing, if they are directly culpable to doing this, those who are giving and those who are taking both, they will have a fine of up to 1 crore or a life imprisonment, and whichever is higher. So that is the amount of punishment that will be meted out. So it is better not to dwell into all these things, and it is better for all the hospitals and the health sector to promote cadaveric transplant, because that is the way out if you do not have a living transplant. And for that, again, the society has to be educated. You have to make sure if you counsel someone for like to give the donor of their relatives to someone. And our Indian society is still not ready for that sort of thing because of our cultural beliefs. You have to go with all your organs to the next life. So all the sorts of nonsense are still existing, so because of which the cadaver transplant program is still not picking up. In the West, the cadaver transplant is quite strong. Like they tend to usually donate their organs. So in those scenarios, live transplant and cadaveric transplant happens in almost equal ratio. हम लोग का देश में almost majority transplant जो है वो live donor transplant ही होता है अभी भी. तो इसी वजह से transplant इतना successfully नहीं हो पाता है majority लोगों में.